My name is Raúl Sosa Castro. This is my video resume. I'm welding professional. I'm from in Uruguay. I have dual citizenship, Uruguayan and Spanish. My experience in different countries of the world, Spanish, Australia, France, Argentina, the United States. I'm actually in Uruguay. I welder different materials: stainless steel, carbon steel, alloyed P5, P9, P22, etc. I welder different technique, TIG, MIG-MAG, electrode, etc. I welder different places in the world, refinery, power plants, petrochemic, building ship, etc. I'm serious. I'm very experienced. Responsibility. My experience is 15 years as a welder. Thank you for your time.